water, and air, with the passion for the land that lets us be. I, he, and she became we, beyond any phenomena of time and space. We continue to grow and rise. We stood in our fears to command the land. Ride the tides and make the sky just another beginning. Yesterday, we took the road less traveled, and today we stand between the sunshine and the rains, so that tomorrow our country can have the springs and rainbows, and our children can have peace and their bucket full of dreams. We take this as our commitment that nothing comes your way. Because freedom has a price, and someone must pay. We, the people of courage, confidence, and character, live the lives that die, so that you can live the life that lives.